Some tips and tricks for the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Irish Paper 1. The very first thing on paper 1 is your clue stitching, your listening comprehension, and here are my biggest tips. The minute that you get your paper, take out your highlighter, highlight the question words and jot the English above it if that helps you. The highlighting is really effective because it makes the question words stand out so you know exactly what they're asking of you. Remember, answer always in Irish. They're asking for a phone number, anything with numbers, you can write down the number format or in Gaeilge, whatever's easiest to you. You hear everything twice. On the first listen, I recommend writing down as much as you can, even if it's half words or half sentences. And then upon the second listen, you can go back and finish off those words and sentences. So when you hear the conversation, don't forget you hear it all the way throughout first, and then it's broken up into the first half and the second half. This makes it easier to hold attention and also to concentrate on the questions on top. The best way to study for this is to practice every single clue stitching in your paper, every single clue stitching in your book, and that's genuinely the best way. And my second biggest tip is know your question words. Pop them on flashcards, Irish on one side, English on the other, best way to learn them. The second part of your paper is the creative writing. As you know, you have to do 2 pieces and they cannot be from the same section. A blog, a story, a letter, or a conversation. So genuinely pick your favorite ones. What they're looking for here is descriptive writing. So make sure you're giving lots of descriptions, step away from the V and start to use a wide range of verbs. Feel free to screenshot all of these I'm Shikatcha, which are really useful, in particular for the blog, the letter, and the story. Toward the end, make sure to read back over your creative writing, just in case you spot any little butt tunes.